Hi everyone, it's Rod, Jane and Russell here from Monster Garage. We're bringing you the first episode from the Melbourne 4x4 show. Really excited. We're doing what we're calling our first monster build from Monster Garage. So we've got a team of guys together, we've got a huge group of sponsors that have come together to help us, and we're building a 79 series over 3 days, and it's really exciting for us.
This Monster Garage story has been a journey for you. Yeah, it's come quite a long way and we've been talking about it for quite a while.
Yeah, so it started in 2009. We started with Monster Wheels. That really came out of my son being interested in monster trucks and trucks with big wheels, and then that was 2009. We've come a long way since 2009 right up till now. We've started doing our forged wheels, so we've gone from a cast wheel to a flow form wheel to a forged wheel. So it's really exciting. The wheels are getting technically better, they're getting lighter, they're getting stronger. And then along the journey we thought, well, what better idea than we've been doing these 4x4 shows for about 5 years, I think it is, or thereabouts. And the idea was, well, how about we build a car with monster wheels, around monster wheels at the 4x4 show so people can see what we do, get some partners involved, and on that journey we've met so many different people that have, the 4x4 segment's just a wonderful segment of people that love what they love and we love it, and we've met so many people that have come along the journey with us as we fumble along, and we've got a whole lot of partners out of that said, we'll support you on a build at the show.
Yeah.
So, I'm really excited. And the whole concept is to bring what I'm passionate about, but so many of my friends are passionate about, and so many 4x4 drivers are passionate about, bring it all together into something that's bigger than just a set of wheels and tyres. They're really exciting. And the Monster Garage, we're going to take it. It's not just the 4x4 show. We're building a garage at the moment. We're going to do not just builds of 4x4s, brand new ones, but we're going to try and do some old ones. I've got a few things up my sleeve of some things I grew up with that need a bit of work. So just some really fun projects of some old cars, some new cars. We might even try and find some barn finds and a few other things, and just play with some really cool things.
But as we've been into the build and as we've gotten into it, it's been interesting to watch the response from some of the brands around us. But let's just go through, when we put this project together, the sponsors that have actually come on board, are not really sponsors, I call them more partners.
Yeah, I think it's probably even deeper than that. It's, I think we're looking for a group of enthusiasts that love what we love. There's plenty of them here.
So let me go through the list. It's pretty amazing when you start talking about people that love that they do and people that are building incredible products. So I mean, obviously when we do these things, Bob J and T-Marts is front and foremost one of our main partners that we work with. We've got Monster Offroad Wheels who's given us the wheels, and then Yokohama tires. And then we found an interesting group of guys from Adrenalin Off-Road Center. You know, a bunch of guys that through our HEMA relationship that we got introduced to, they now run the HEMA tours.
Yeah.
And they've been an incredible group of guys. So GWorks provided this dual cab canopy that we've got here and the single cab canopy we're going to see on that build. I mean, XBar by Hayman Reese, they provided us the tow bars and the rear recovery points for both the vehicles as well.
Yep.
Torqit, they've provided us exhaust system updates and Snorkel updates. Ultravision, so they're interesting boys. They've provided us with all the lighting that you see.
And there's a lot of lighting.
And there's a lot of
big lighting. We like the big lighting.
Projecta helped us out with the 12 volt systems. Disc Brakes Australia provided us with brake and caliper updates. GME, they've provided us with a good couple of radios in some of the builds and some of the projects we've done. Rhino Rack, they've provided us roof racks. Interesting update we're doing as well, so DWiz have given us track correction diffs. Tuff have given us an awesome bull bar. So if you talk about a farm truck build, I mean, you can't go more farm truck than a Tuff bar. Polaris have given us radio updates, but more importantly, reversing camera update. Yeah. So that's an update we're going to do post four-wheel drive show, and we'll bring that content to everyone. Clearview Accessories, who provided us the mirrors. We've put a Levels 4.2 ton GVM upgrade in the double cab. We'll be putting an Ironman GVM and suspension upgrade in the single cab. So Milwaukee Tools actually provided us with a lot of tools for this build that you'll see being used around the vehicle. But if there's anything you want to see or any comments you want to add to our channel, why don't you click subscribe? Give us a comment below, let us know what you think of our Monster Garage and any other builds that you think could be relevant to seeing that we build in Australia for Australian motorists.
How good is that?